Imagine getting the iconic Lady D-Joy bag, look for a fraction of the price. Sounds too good to be true, right? Welcome to the handbag heaven. Today we are going to talk about the Coach Rogue 26 bag and how it is the perfect dupe for the Lady D-Joy. So, I was minding my business and not looking for any bags. Since I am taking a break from luxury handbags and really all handbags in general, minus the items on my wish list. But then I got an email with this new Coach Rogue bag. So I went on the Coach site and saw that they have released an East-West version of the Rogue bag. And I have to say, it looks a lot like the Lady Dior D-Joy bag. Tell me you see the resemblance. The Lady D-Joy is a high-end luxury bag known for its elegance and sophistication. But lately, the brand has been in the news with some pretty serious allegations. To make matters worse, the media released details on their alleged costs to make bags versus the price they are sold at. On the other hand, the Coach Rogue bag offers a more affordable option without compromising too much on quality and style like the typical dupes, in my opinion. Let's compare the design, starting with the D-Joy bag. The key design elements includes the quilted canage lambskin leather, rounded handles with the signature Dior charms. The bag is very much like the classic Lady Dior, but the major difference is this east-west silhouette. It comes with two removable straps that we will take a closer look at later. The D-Joy also has a magnetic flap closure and includes one single area with a small interior pocket. Moving on to the Coach Rogue 26 bag. Like the D-Joy, it has two handles. It doesn't have charms like the Dior, but it has the signature Coach tag. Instead of a magnetic flap closure, the Rogue has a double zipper closure. The Rogue has two versions. One has studs along the edges of the bag, and the other doesn't have the studs. It also comes with removable straps. Since the Rogue width is double the size of the D-Joy, the interior has three separate areas. The front open area, middle area with zipper closure, and the back open area. The Rogue also includes a credit card slot in the interior of the bag. The 4-inch width bag has feet on the bottom, which not only give you more room to store your essentials, but also makes it easy for you to stand it upright. Whereas the D-Joy is harder to stand upright since it is so narrow at only 2 inches wide. The D-Joy also does not have feet to protect the bottom of the bag. Now, let's compare the style. When it comes to size, the Rogue in the East-West silhouette only comes in one size, the 26. At the moment, it only comes in two different materials, leather and suede. The leather looks like it is smooth and not pebble grain like other Rogue bags. There are 3 colors available on the Coach site: chalk and black, which come in leather, and peanut, which comes in suede. The D-Joy comes in 3 different sizes in the East-West silhouette: micro, small, and medium. The medium size is the closest to the Rogue 26. The D-Joy comes in leather, including patent but other materials like denim and raffia. There are also special limited versions that are embellished. The D-Joy comes in many different colors and prints. Dior continues to release different colors each season. When it comes to versatility, the 2 straps that come with the D-Joy allow the bag to be worn in multiple ways. The bag can be worn by the 2 handles, or you can slide your hand through the handles to clutch the bag. You can also use the chain strap to wear it over the shoulders, or you can use the longer adjustable strap to wear it crossbody. The Rogue has 3 straps. 2 straps can be attached to wear the bag over the shoulder. The longer adjustable strap can be used to wear the bag crossbody. Last, let's compare the cost, which is the major difference. The DJoy is over $5,000 more than the Rogue bag. The version of the Rogue 26 bag without the studs is actually only $550, so it's even more affordable than the DJoy. There is really no comparison when it comes to the cost. But to be fair, the DJoy, like most of the brand's leather bags, are made of a higher quality leather. Does that justify the price? I'll let you be the judge of that. I actually had the DJoy on my list to purchase last year. I decided to purchase pre-loved because the bags just don't hold value. But now, with the recent allegations, I'm not looking to purchase directly from the brand. Months ago, I found and purchased a pre-loved bag, but it turned out to be a fake. Check out my video for the details. So I really haven't been in the mood to deal with the hassle of deciphering whether a bag is real or fake. It gets annoying. So I don't know if I will be adding a DJoy bag to my collection anytime soon. But when it comes to best value, the price must be around $2,000 to $2,500 for me to decide to purchase. In the meantime, I'm just going to continue enjoying my vintage Lady Dior bag. When it comes to the Rogue bag, I actually have 3 bags already. The size 25, 20, and 12. I also have the little backpack. My Rogue 25 was custom made to order. I wish the 26 had that option. I did reach out to my SA and she said it is not available for the 26. Although I love the east-west silhouette of the new Rogue 26, I don't necessarily like the studs on the bag. Also, when it comes to the style, I really don't have a need for any of the colors listed on the site. I did ask my SA if more colors were available and found out there is another color. Yes, this dark lime color was available apparently at some department stores. It appears that it has sold out, or at least it has online. But have no fear, I found the color on Amazon if you are interested. Disclaimer, if you use the link, I will get a small percentage. However, I am not being paid to promote the bag, and I am not affiliated with any of the brands being discussed in this video. After finding the lime green, I was seriously considering getting the bag, so I decided to revisit my wish list. I had a need for a pistachio green bag, but the dark lime color really is not the same color. However, the bag is the east-west silhouette I'm looking for. Next, I looked at the color and compared it to the green bags I already have in my collection. So here are my green bags, and it is a different shade as I had hoped. Next, I started thinking about styling the bag. I knew that the design would fit into my wardrobe since I already went through this process with the DJoy bag, but I had to think about the color. So when it comes to this color green, it is very similar to the color Fern, which is one of the Pantone colors for fall 2024. So I used that color to put together my color palette. I like to wear patterns in the fall and winter. So I added some of my favorites to the palette. I started with the houndstooth pattern and added eggplant and the fern. Midnight Plum is one of the colors for this fall 2024. I was so inspired when I saw this color on the runway. I do plan to create some dark moody looks with this color, and I may brighten it up with a little green. I added another favorite, which is leopard. One of my favorite colors to pair with leopard is a bright red orange. One of the Pantone colors for fall is cherry tomato. I think it would be perfect with the leopard and fern. I definitely could put together 5 to 10 looks with this bag, so I will move to my buy list. Now I have to remove one of the bags that is on the list to buy this one. That's going to be hard. I will do an updated wish list video to let you know what I actually purchased and what didn't make the cut. In conclusion, opting for the Coach Rogue bag is not only a smart choice, but also a stylish one. You can rock the same look as the Dior Lady D-Joy without emptying your wallet. It's a win-win situation for fashion lovers who appreciate both quality and savings. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Which one of these bags are you feeling? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, let me know if you already have one in your collection. Drop a link to your video so I can check it out. Your feedback is valuable to me. So, there you have it, the best Dior Lady D-Joy dupe. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more fashion and beauty. See you in the next video.